Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shazia. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this double cut crease with glitter, and this is also perfect as a bridal eye look. So yes, if you want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply this brown shade to my crease, and this is my transition shade. Then from the Revolution from Mischief Mattes palette, I'm going to take this shade called Rio shade, and I'm going to apply it on top of the brown shade. Then I'm going to make a cut crease. So I'm using the Body Shop's foundation, and using a flat shader brush I'm going to make a full cut crease. And leaving a small gap from my crease line, I'm going to apply the same shade called Rio shade, and I'm using this thin eyeliner brush. I'm just going to draw that same crease like shape, and I'm going to connect it to the outer corner. Like I'm going to make a wing, but I'm not connecting it with the outer corner, but actually in the middle of my eyelid. Like I'm just creating a leaf like shape. Like you can see, it's hard to explain, but you guys can see what I did. So yeah, I'm just going to fill that outer corner with the same shade, and after that for the middle portion of the lid I'm going to use this shade called Draft, I think, from the same palette, and it's a beautiful bronzy shade, and I'm going to blend it with the purple. And after that I'm going to use the concealer, and I just cleaned out the double cut crease so that it looks more cleaner. And I'm gonna apply the same shade on my lower lash line on the outer part, and I'm drawing a wing like you can see, and I'm just blending out that. And I'm applying the mascara, the Maybelline Colossal mascara, on my upper as well as lower lashes. And to highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Gold, and I'm also applying it to the inner part of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust. I'm just applying it to that gap to create that double cut crease, that glitter cut crease effect. And guys, my eyeshadow had dried up at this point of time, so it kind of looked streaky, but I tried to manage and try to create the glitter cut crease. So I hope you guys like this video, and this is my completed look. So if you liked it, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and do comment down your thoughts as well. And I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay blessed.